In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an events page in Squarespace. We're going to walk through the process from inside your Squarespace dashboard, and by the end, you'll have a new events page created and ready to customize. This is a great way to organize upcoming gatherings, classes, performances, or any event-based content on your site. To begin, go to your Squarespace site dashboard and click on Website. This takes you into the main area where your site structure and page setup are managed. If you're new to Squarespace, think of this as the control center for how your website is organized. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. This is where all of your site pages live, including visible navigation pages and pages that are hidden from the main menu. You'll use this area to create and arrange new content. Next, look for the Not Linked section and click the plus icon there. The Not Linked area is useful when you want to build a page before making it visible in your main navigation. That gives you a chance to set everything up first, review the design, and make edits before visitors see it. From the menu that appears, click on Group Events. This option is designed specifically for creating an events-focused page, so it gives you a strong starting point for listing and presenting event information in a clear format. After that, select the template you want to use. The template controls the initial layout and style of the events page. Choose the one that best matches the look and feel of your site. If you're unsure, pick the option that feels the cleanest and easiest to read, since clarity is especially important for event details. Now, name the page. Choose a title that makes sense for your visitors, such as Events, Upcoming Events, or something more specific to your brand or organization. A clear page name helps both navigation and overall site organization. Once the page has been created, click on Edit. This opens the page editor so you can start adjusting the content and layout. At this point, the page exists, but it still needs your custom touches to match your website. From here, you can edit the page, update the text, adjust the layout, and make any visual changes needed so the page fits your style and clearly communicates your event information. Take a moment to review spacing, headings, and overall readability so your visitors can quickly find what they need. And that's how to create an events page in Squarespace.